sunny and nice today. Nice weather. After lunch, so I just want to take a slow walk and then shoot some footages at one of the Singapore's few mangrove swamp. This one is more accessible than Sungai Buloh. Here the cicada, I think it's cicada, it's called cicada. Really nice place to walk after lunch. The main provided for lunch at this place lah. See all the air roots come out from the mud. Not many plants can take salt water. Maybe it's a mixture of salt and river water. So this is the mangrove swamp of Admiralty Park. There's some wildlife here. If you go down, I don't think you can go down. I don't think I want to go down. But when high tide, so it will be covered with sea water. Right, let's make a look. Check it out, there's a monitor lizard. That's our native species, much smaller. This path leads to the playground, Admiralty playground with a lot of slides. But we're not going there. Let's walk back. I think this way is more interesting. Just beside the road actually, which is why you can still hear the traffic sound. Nice place to do a after lunch walk. Fresh air. People do come in and walk there. Oh, is it part of Admiralty Park connector? It's just opposite Woodland front.